Hello everybody! A lot of you guys have been requesting a cleaning video, and today I'm going to be doing a thorough clean of my kitchen. It is actually the next day when I'm filming this intro, and I have to apologize to you guys because my weekend turned a little bit differently than I had initially planned. I had a lot of relatives in town yesterday, and I was surprised with a surprise birthday party. So, yeah, it took me by surprise, literally. I thought I was taking my husband to a Southern Gospel sing, which is not uncommon for him since he is a singer. And, well, turned out to be a surprise birthday party that he actually threw with my really dear friend, Emma. I have to get an extinguisher. Ready? Mm-hmm. And I just was very, very overwhelmed with emotions and just felt a heart that was extremely full yesterday. And I did not get the intro to this video even filmed. So, with that being said, I got up yesterday really, really early, and I am having company this coming weekend, and I decided to go ahead and just kind of give my kitchen an even more thorough cleaning. If you have watched me, you know that I have painted the inside of my cabinets. I have contact papered the shelves. So pretty much, you know, I have kept it pretty tidy, but I needed to clean the refrigerator out. So I did that. I cleaned the shelves. I just kind of gave it a good wipe down. If you remember when my son was here, I took everything out and scrubbed it really good. Took all the drawers out and scrubbed it. And so it really didn't need that extensive of a cleaning, but it needed a restock of drinks and, you know, all that kind of thing. And then my microwave needed to be scrubbed out. And I have to tell you that ever since I have gotten the little kind of like, I guess it's called like a splash guard, or like so that, you know, it doesn't get your microwave all dirty. The cover, the microwave cover, you can put it over your food. I've not had much to clean up in my microwave. It has been exceptional. I mean, that just seems like a no-brainer, right? And I seen that thing at Menards, and it was like $2, and I bought it, and it has been the best thing that I've had inside my microwave. I've not hardly had anything to clean, but I did give my microwave a good clean inside and out, as well as the microwave stand. Sprayed my counters down, and I also used a sponge with some Dawn soap, and I gave my counters a good wipe down so they would be nice and clean. And of course, that kind of backfired on me because I decided to clean out our tea kettle. And, you know, I use my tea kettle almost at least every other day, if not every day. And so I put a little soap in there, and I filled it up with water like I always do. And I guess the soap got a little bubbly, and it overflowed all over the counter I had just cleaned. So I had to re-clean it. But trust me, guys, my counters are clean today. happens, right? I should also mention that on the refrigerator, I did move it out away from the wall, and I did wipe down all the back of the refrigerator and swept up any crumbs that might have got underneath. All of our appliances are under a year. Well, actually, all of our appliances are a year old, so there really was not that much extensive cleaning to do behind there, but I just wanted to make sure it was nice and tidy and clean. So I got the refrigerator moved back and all was good. It's a good feeling to get those big things done. I also cleaned the very top of the refrigerator. I took everything off and wiped it completely down. And then I wiped all those items off and then I replaced them. And so it looked so much better when it was done. Then I scrubbed down our new stainless steel trash can. I used a Lysol, I think it's hydrogen peroxide cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner. It works really, really well. It is a little strong, so if you don't like a real strong smelling kind of cleaner, I would avoid it. But for me, I love to know that I'm getting the stuff clean as well as disinfected. So I sprayed my trash can down and I wiped it down, and it looks so much better. Then I went over and gave my stove a really good wipe down. I had previously scrubbed it really good and cleaned my oven very thoroughly, so I didn't have much to do on that area. But I did open the bottom drawer and I gave the inside of the drawer a really good wipe out because little crumbs and stuff do fall in there. So I gave it a nice clean. All the garbages from where I cleaned out the refrigerator and the boxes from soda and things like that, and I went ahead and carried it out. So all the trash was completely out of the house. With everything, I swept up any of the crumbs that was on the floor, and then I got my old cedar mop out, which is not my newest one. It's just sort of like the Swiffer kind of mop is what I call it, the spraying mop. And it works really, really well in a pinch. Right before my company actually does come, I'll get my old cedar spin mop out and I will mop everything in the house. You guys gathered some inspiration and motivation to clean your house. It is so nice to have everything all nice and tidy. My father-in-law came over yesterday. He was like, "You cleaned your house today?" And you know, here I was at a birthday party, but nobody knew that I had gotten up at 5:45. and decided to thoroughly clean my kitchen before leaving to what I thought was going to be a gospel sing that turned out to be a surprise party for me. So it was a wonderful weekend. It was a great productive weekend when it came to my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Have you started your spring cleaning yet this year? You know, it snowed yesterday. It's supposed to be spring. It's supposed to be pretty outside, but yet we seen snow twice yesterday. Twice. When I took all the garbages out yesterday, I went outside, and when I came back in, it was snowing. I couldn't believe that it was snowing. Unreal. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I will be seeing you all again soon. Bye, guys.